Unleashing the power of the Zontes 368G, the ultimate adventure scooter. Are you ready to elevate your riding experience to new heights? Meet the Zontes 368G, the game changer in the world of adventure scooters. This powerhouse is designed to take on both city streets and rugged trails with ease, offering a blend of performance, comfort, and cutting-edge technology. Power and performance. At the heart of the Zontes 368G lies a 368cc, liquid-cooled, double overhead cam, single-cylinder engine that delivers an impressive 38.8 horsepower and 40 Nm of torque. This means you'll have plenty of power to tackle any terrain, whether it's a smooth highway or a bumpy off-road path. The CVT transmission ensures a smooth and seamless ride, making every journey a pleasure. Suspension and handling. Equipped with 41mm upside-down forks and dual shocks with remote reservoirs, the Zontes 368G offers a ride that's both comfortable and stable. The 300mm front disc brake with a 4-piston J1 caliper ensures reliable stopping power, while the dual-channel ABS system provides added safety and control. Comfort and convenience. Say goodbye to cramped rides. The Zontes 368G boasts a 52-litre underseat storage space that can fit 2 full-face helmets, making it perfect for long trips. The 8-inch color TFT screen is sharp and bright, even under harsh sunlight, providing all the essential information at a glance. With 3 USB charging ports, you'll never run out of power for your devices. Technology and safety. The Zontes 368G is packed with advanced features, including keyless ignition, Bluetooth mirror screen sharing, and a rear-facing dashcam. The adjustable windshield and ergonomic seat design ensure maximum comfort during long rides. Safety is also a top priority, with features like dual-channel ABS, side reflectors. Ride experience. Whether you're commuting to work or embarking on an off-road adventure, the Zontes 368G delivers an exhilarating ride. Its stable handling at higher speeds and excellent wind protection make it a joy to ride. Even on windy days, the 368 Adventure bike has a stiff suspension and an in-depth menu system, but these are easily adjustable to suit your preferences. In conclusion, the Zontes 368G is a versatile, feature-rich scooter that offers exceptional value for money. If you're looking for an adventure scooter that combines power, comfort, and advanced technology, the Zontes 368G is the perfect choice for you. Would you like to know more about its specifications or watch videos on its build quality? Then please go to my channel to see nearly 2,000 videos on the complete Zontes range, either maintenance or how to strip down a Zontes model, plus reviews. It's all there. Regards, Madmick.
I'm coming for the throne.